Hello, Pisces. Welcome. I would like to give you a reading regarding someone who is, I'm getting the term obsessed. You have someone who is obsessing over you, but I'm not getting in the strange, weird stalker way. I'm getting on a bad day when they're feeling small, they think of you and smile. Um, at nighttime, when they're counting their blessings, you're one of them. Um, it's it's really a sweet kind of obsession. I'm hearing puppy love. Puppy love. Let's see what kind of reading we're gonna get. Body, spirit. Pisces, and they call it puppy love. The lovers. Do you know this person? Huh. The lovers. Nice. Gemini, air energy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The Nine of Pentacles. Beautiful. The Knight of Pentacles. Okay, Two of Wands. Strength. And, oh man, what a reading. At the bottom of the deck, we have the Chariot. They are running towards you. We have Cancer energy here. Water energy. What a reading. What a reading. The lovers begins with. So, this person who has puppy love for you, you talk, there's communication, but it's, um, they'll talk about work, they'll talk about, they'll talk about projects that they're on, where they might like to travel, they'll talk about anything and everything except for their feelings towards you. The lovers also can be a choice. The lover's card is, it's beautiful, but it's not always easy. You have heaven and earth between you. This puppy love. I think this is this is a gift from the divine. Pisces, this is a special relationship from the divine. When something is from the divine, though, you know that there is also divine timing. Um, divine timing. Pisces, water energy. So, well, you know, Pisces, you're charming, you're mysterious, sensitive, also emotional and private. And you are the moon card, so there's more to you than meets the eye. Here we do have the Nine of Pentacles, one beneath the Empress. That's you. That's how they see you. Pisces, this is how they see you. You've got the world on a string. Okay, but they also see you only in good light, and they don't see how you've struggled. Pisces, they haven't seen how you've struggled. It's kind of like a duck. The duck is floating on top and it looks so serene, but down below the water, it's pedaling for all it's worth. So Pisces, that's you. They only see the good. So, that is really puppy love, isn't it? Only seeing the good side. I'm not saying there's a bad side to you. Of course, there's a bad side, a shadow side to all of us. But this could set up for unrealistic expectations in a relationship. Everyone's going to have a bad day. And Pisces, you can snap off when someone infringes, especially on your infringes on your privacy. Let's see what else we have. They want to try something. They want to try giving you a little gift. I'm seeing something like what was with coffee lately? A coffee cup. They want to give you something small, just testing the waters. They are watching, they are planning, they're watching from a distance. They are watching. This is someone from a distance. This is someone from a distance. They're planning, and they want to try to give you something and test the waters, Pisces, to see how does this go. They have been planning for a while. They're watching you from a distance, and they want to give you what? The world. They want to give you the world. They want you to see them as this very well-dressed person. They want you to see them as someone who has everything together. They're not standing there in like shorts, or they're not standing there in as a page. They're standing with an elegant robe and a nice hat, and they're leaning on that staff, though. They're working hard. They have plans, and for these plans, plural plans, they're using all their strength. Why? Why are they using their strength? This person is generally not an optimist. Why? This person comes across as a pessimist. Kicked too often. You will know what this means. This person has been kicked too often. I won't say that they've been deceived, because they don't allow people to get close enough. That's why all the planning. They want this to work, and they want this to work Four of Wands way. You see in the back, there you and they are. They want a strong foundation, a foundation that even a tower can't bring down. Pisces, you're going to know who this is. Let's see what else they would like to say to you. What's with all the secrets? Are they married? Pisces, are they married? Is this person married? Or engaged? Engaged to be married? Engaged to be married? Or in a long-term situationship? What do you want to say to Pisces? Yeah, this person is a pessimist. I am becoming a better person. Remember the strength card? They're working on this. Okay, this pessimism is something like, don't expect anything and you won't be surprised when you don't get it. Wow, that really circled my head a couple times. Let me try it again. Don't expect anything and you won't be surprised when you don't get it. Okay. I'll leave that right there. What else? You don't know how hard it was to let you go. Okay. So, yeah, I get a strong indication that this person has people around them that are listen, you're with this person, you can't do that. So they came towards you and or saw you. Okay, I'm seeing West Side Story. When Tony first sees Maria, that's all that he can see. And then everything in his world and Maria's world goes against. Wow, that's really strong. I don't know if you know West Side Story. I saw it when I was a kid. I haven't seen the new one, but maybe that makes sense to you. I wish things could be different. Again, pessimist. He's already, he, excuse me. Tarot doesn't have gender, but I'm getting a masculine energy. They are already thinking that. I'm sorry, I have an old dog down here who snores, but I love him, so he will stay there. They are already thinking that it's going to be difficult. I wish I could take back my words. Maybe they popped off and just said what they were thinking at the top of their head. Pisces, I think you know who this is. We will be together again. Okay, so up and down, it's a roller coaster. This person is a roller coaster. I'm trying to think of a character. They're just up and down and up and down and negativity. Kind of like, I'm seeing George Costanza from Seinfeld. This person doesn't look like George Costanza from Seinfeld, but that's what I'm seeing. Take it or leave it. If it's not for you, just leave it. I'm going to pull just a couple more cards. Wow, George Costanza. That's a new one for me. I want to go slow. I'm hearing I need to go slow. I think there's things that this person is getting in order before they approach you. Pisces, they're saying, I don't like some of your moods. Oh, wow. Why could that be? What could that be? Oh, I'm not making fun, Pisces. You know. I'll leave that right there. They're saying, meet me halfway. Meet me halfway. Again, I'm thinking this person's at a distance. Maybe halfway means, halfway between the two of you where you guys live. I don't know why you care about me. There we go again. I don't know why you care about me. That kind of hurts, though. That comes from a place of low self-esteem. I felt that one in my heart, Pisces. I felt that in my heart. One more. Puppy love. Maybe this person is young emotionally. Your love scares me. Pisces, that was a trip. Okay, if you like the reading or you thought it was interesting, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing so I can talk to you again. Have a great day.